How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect two JBL speakers right here. So obviously you could do this for any other speakers out there. JBL has this feature where they called the JBL Connect. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually turn on the first speaker that you want to use. So in my case, I'm going to use the JBL portable speaker as an example. Right after turning it on, you could use it normally by connecting it onto your phone or your computer or whatever. Go ahead and play your music, and basically right after you will be able to click on this button right here. Now this is going to be the JBL Connect. You want to do this for the first speaker that your phone is connected with. It will then turn on its pairing mode, and simply right after navigate through the second speaker and just do the same thing. It will both enter the pairing mode. They will go ahead and find each other, and now your phone will simply go ahead and produce sound from this two JBL speakers right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.